Well, oh, that might be pretty good there.
Halibut.
All right. Well,
On the squid, I mean on the octopus.
and he's decent. Yeah, he's decent. He's bigger than I thought. Keep stacking. Alright, come on, baby.
She's missing already.
Fouls it or something.
Let's see. I don't know, might be pretty good. That one in Craig's, I didn't think it was that big, but
This one ain't that big.
yeah. Come on. Yeah, he ain't that big. Alright, let's get him loose. We'll release him back to the deep.
A bite.
Oh my gosh.
Let him load up.
Alright, that looks pretty good. You got this, babe?
The picture is open. That means it's
Yeah,
all
yeah,
right.
yep.
Right, Richard?
Yep, to my understanding, yes. Well, is he fighting harder than that last one?
He did at first, but he's not now.
Yeah.
He's just swimming up.
He's gonna be 200 pounds. He's gonna see the boat and go back to the bottom. Oh, cod, cod. Yes, is he hooked good? Yes. Woo, man, that is a huge cod. God almighty, dude. Look at this son of a gun. Holy crap, dude, I think that's a big, he's 12 pounds.
12?
Yep. Okay, hold him sideways so I can see the side. Yeah, there you go. Well, take multiple ones. That's the one, Craig. No doubt. Or you got two on.
I think this is one.
Did you even feel a bite? Cause it's,
Yeah, I see deep color.
Yeah.
No, that's a jellyfish or something.
You ain't got to.
It's a giant jellyfish.
No, that's a fish. He's coming.
That's a jellyfish. I can see it from here. Oh my God, watch out. Woo, buddy. Yes. That is it, buddy. That is it. That is the one we've been after right there. Woo. Where's the E-hooker? There you go. You're gonna have to back up, cause I ain't no way I'm gonna get you and him in that picture without. But lift him up.
Yeah, lift you up. Turn him around.
All right, yeah, do a wide side. Get you some rest.
That's a boat record.
That's it. Yeah, that's a record right here, bud. All right, now let me get little scoping. Yep, that's what it feels like. I think we're on the scoping grounds now. Is that a cod? Nope, another scoping. I mean, their body is nothing compared to that head. And look, he popped right out. Yeah, he got something. It ain't bouncing, is it?
It was at first. It's not now.
Could be a cod, though.
Might be.
Cause they'll bounce at first, and then it sort of, you just dealing. You see, he's still bounce. I see him doing a little bit of bounce. He's looking less like a sculpin. Then here he comes. Whatever you. That a bull sculpin? I tell you, I believe that's a cod, buddy.
It is a cod.
No, that's a giant freaking sculpin. That might be the world record. Look at that joker. Holy manoli. Joker on?
Yes.
All right, at live action.
That's what you were to post as a YouTube video of having time to say, is that your own?
Live action. Turtle Man, this is for you. Oh, look at there. Oh, Craig, you might be losing. Fighting on the platform. That's either a halibut or a world record scoping. He was searching at one point. He's not running now, he's planing.
Automatic bilge pump.
Should we color it?
I feel him swimming around though. You got to get. All right. Here he comes, bud. What have I got here?
Halibut?
Oh, dude, he's hooked in the side. But he's big though. Let's get him.
Come on, hold up here. Don't horse him. Ain't that deep.
Well, he's big enough. That line. Ah, damn it.
You got a little much.
Here we go, here we go. We got it. All right, that's 3. Well, I thought he was the big one, but that's why he fighting funny. It's like I reeling in an 80-pounder. Flounder. That's a flounder right there. Side hook. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. That's a halibut too. Oh yeah, come on, biggin. A little bit, yep. He ain't nothing like you had, but he's a good one. Solid fish. He was giving me some heavy thumps, but I let him just have it because I keep pulling up and missing, you know.
Lee, you think Alaska's home for you forever, or you just gonna work here for a few years and retire back to Florida, or what do you want to do? Just depends on how much you can stand it.
Well, I love Alaska. The problem is,
Here he come. Here he come.
I mean, I'll
That's a pretty
probably
good
live
one.
here until I retire.
All right. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The thing about it here is just, you know, your joints, arthritis, all that shit hurts more up here in the damn cold than it does.
That's why a lot of people move to Florida and Arizona.
Here's the other knife. Oh, you got one? All right. Good deal.
Y'all better count them, tell me what we got.
I think there's 4, isn't it, Craig?
Oh, yeah.
You better make sure.
All right. That one's probably, what, 15?
Probably so, yeah. He ain't bad.
No. All right. Yeah, that's a good. That's number 5, maybe.
I don't know what that is, but he's a little better.
Oh yeah, that's a halibut. Look at him bouncing. I'm getting a bite right now.
I love what they did. Yeah, pretty good. Richard,
Lee, can you come? Because I'm getting a bite right now myself.
You're holding out on me, man. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, that might be another damn good one.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You got all that line back.
Yeah, that's number 5, and I think number 6 is nibbling on mine right now. We
Something
just-
like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. You got your video going?
Oh yeah. Is it? Look at
He
it. Look
pulled
at
out
it.
drag.
Look at it.
Yeah, I guess it's going. I don't know.
Is there a red light on it?
I can't really tell the sun. I don't know. It looks like it's going.
Yeah. Ooh, go Craig, go.
It's a pretty big one.
It's a good one here, Richard.
All right, you got him, baby?
Oh, good kid.
Oh, come on. Snag him, baby. Jab him right in the top. Go. You got him. Now, if you have to, you can hand it to Craig. You got it, dude. Oh, dude, that's 20-something pounds right there. Look at that, dude. What does that one weigh? 20-something?
$25.
Lee, get a picture of that. Oh yeah, good one. Nice one. Good gravy, bud. Oh, good God. Man, I lost mine. Yeah, that was probably 5 pounds.
I'm gonna hit reverse it.
Hold on. We still in them. I just got it. We just had a nice one. There he is. Yep. 10 pounds.
I'm gonna back up just a little bit.
All right. There he is. Got him out?
You need another one?
Oh, this is a kelp greenling. Look here, Carrie. Same colors as that, you know, sort of basic colors. That's some good eating.
Where's those other lures, bud?
Got him?
No, he got off.
Damn. There we go. Hit it on the way down, Craig, too. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He ain't no monster, but he'll go. That's his 5. Might be a lingcod or something.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that's good. That's a Greenling. Oh, look at that. That's a nice Greenling. Look at that, Lee.
Oh, that's pretty. Here, let me
Yeah, get a picture of that. That's beautiful. Delicious fish right there. As good as they come. See how small his mouth is?
Okay.
I wonder if that's some of what we're...
Could be. And we're missing them because their mouth's so small. Yeah, because they call a kelp Greenling for a reason. They're damn sure in here.
He's a little bit stronger of a fighter
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
than that,
There we go. We got another Greenling. This is a different color phase. Look at that one. Then we caught one like that yesterday, didn't we, or the other day? Oh, yeah. Man, I gotta bleed that little rockfish.
Rick, what's your last name?
Clark.
Oh, that's your last name, I thought.
I got one. He just bit me right to the damn boat. I can't get hooked in him. There you go.
Oh my God, Lisa.
Today's catch.
Today. Are we good?
Jack wagon.